Welcome back to the Sovereign Ratio. This is not an official video, but if you're new here, please go ahead and drop a like, comment, and subscribe. But I could not resist posting this for the community to see what Chair Powell said when he got interrupted by climate protesters speaking today about inflation. It's hilarious, and I lost my shit when I saw it for the first time.
The fact that the process of getting inflation sustainably down to 2% has a long way to go. The labor market remains tight, although improvements in labor supply and a gradual easing in demand continue to move it into better balance. GDP growth in the third quarter was quite strong, but like most forecasters, we expect growth to moderate in coming quarters. Of course,
Jerome Powell, by refusing to treat climate change like a systemic risk that
Thank you.
you are putting us at
Thank you
risk
very
of
much.
economic disaster.
Thank you very much.
Climate change
Yep.
will threaten
Thank you. Just close the fucking door. Close the door.
Fed officials are generally not everyone's favorite type of person, but I think this went a long way in humanizing Powell and having people actually connect with him. Just hearing him come out of character, government character, and just be a person for a split second, I think was actually pretty good for him. So I was really happy to see this, and it's hilarious as well. And just a really quick update from my video earlier, it looks like what happened here at 38K was a lot of shorts got liquidated, which in turn drove the price down, which in turn liquidated some late longs, probably on a high leverage, which is why we're seeing this kind of volatility up and down that we're seeing right now. I think things are going to stabilize here in a little bit, and we'll see a run up in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it looks like alts may be taking a break. I'm not sure about that, but ETH looks like it's ready to pump. It was over $2,000, I think $50 at one point. So keep an eye out on ETH. It might be worth switching some Bitcoin and ETH for the next leg of this up. But anyway, quick video. If you're new here, hit the like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Safe trading.